Guys, I'm doing my second YouTube video for today. This one basically I'm just going to go over my traction, or not my traction bar, but my harness bar that I recently got, and the little things that I've got to go with it and what I got to do to finish it up. You know, I still got a few things left, but other than that, she's mostly bolted up. So I'll just go and climb in the car and show y'all. Look at how she looks. She looks so beautiful. Granted, I did have to pull the back interior just for temporary because there were no holes on the plastic panel that goes from here all the way down. So instead of just drilling them right there, I had to kind of mock up a little bolt for now. You can kind of see it. It's just in there for now. I'm going to have to weld some nuts on there so that way it can actually screw into the frame of the car, or the side frame of the car, and all that'll be good. And other than that, yeah, everything bolted up nice and tight, except for those two bolts right there. Everything else is good with those. Once I get that welded to be fixed, I'm going to show you guys my little stuff I got going on here. I've got this just to kind of extend it out because I didn't have enough length to go from the back of the seat to this. But basically what this does is it's a Crow Enterprises, and basically what this piece does, these pieces do, is say if I were to ever get in a wreck, God forbid, knock on dashboard, but if I ever get in a wreck, basically if my window breaks, you know, and you got seatbelt harnesses to hold you in the car, but what keeps your arms in the car? Basically these are straps that go around your arms to keep basically your arms from flopping out the window if you end up rolling over. Which that would be very bad because that's pretty much a broken arm, if not more. You could dismember it. But I got those. I have this harness right now. I don't know the name of it. I think it's a no-name one, but I got some Type R fucking neck cover things to keep from rubbing my neck raw. I got those. And right now, I've just got it bolted down here, and this is, I know you guys are already going to say something about this, but this is not the way to do this. Don't ever do this. If you're ever going to do a harness, if you're going to put a 4-point harness, don't bolt it to the back seats. You will eventually, if you were to rear end somebody, your seat's going to collapse, and it's going to break you in two. It's going to break your back, because the weight of the seat going forward is just going to suck you down. It's going to pull you down to the bottom of the car from the impact going forward. That's not the way to do this. Do not do this. I do not recommend that. Absolutely not. That's why, the whole purpose of why I bought this harness bar is so that way I can move these and tie them off up here, make it, do my loops, make it a lot more better, the way it needs to be, because I'm not trying to get in a wreck and break my back. So that's one thing I'm not trying to do. I think my car just died. Oh well. But just warmed up now at least. Other than that, yeah, everything's pretty nice. It bolts up here, and it bolts up basically right down there. There's already pre-bolt holes down there. It's like it was made for it. Kind of crazy. Other than that, everything else is good on this thing. And this concludes my video of my harness bar. I'm going to be making my own custom X bar off my C-pillar bar and my lower strut bar. It's not really going to be an X bar. It's going to be like a 1 bar going across. Basically just going to add some more hangers, and that bar sitting back there in the far back. You can see it behind my speaker that I got a warranty out today. But other than that, it'll go from here to here and look pretty badass. I think that post there